Legendary investors worth billions all started with this one book that changed their life forever. Warren Buffett calls it by far the best book about investing ever written, and I'm going to share the 5 most powerful lessons from The Intelligent Investor. First, Mr. Market is your servant, not your master. The market is like a moody business partner who offers different prices daily. Some days they're optimistic, others pessimistic. Your job? Take advantage of their mood swings. Second, margin of safety is everything. Never buy a stock at full price. Always look for a discount, like buying $1 worth of assets for 70 cents. This protects you when things go wrong. Third, ignore market predictions. Nobody can consistently predict market movements. Focus on company fundamentals instead of trying to time the market. Fourth, defensive investing beats aggressive trading. Graham proves that steady, conservative strategies outperform risky bets over the long term. Think marathon, not sprint. Finally, investing is not about getting rich quick. It's about not getting poor slowly. The real secret is controlling your emotions and sticking to your strategy when others panic. Here's the truth. The Intelligent Investor was written in 1949, but these principles are timeless. The same rules that made Buffett a billionaire still work today. Remember, real wealth is built through patient, intelligent investing, not through gambling on the next hot stock.